Hi, I'm John Tonello, a member of the Chef team. In this video, I'll show you how you can deploy Chef Automate and Chef Infrastructure Server in a virtual machine. The base VM I'm using is Ubuntu 20.04, and I've made sure the server has a fully qualified domain name by editing the etc hostname file. This is important for name resolution between the server, Chef Workstation, and target nodes, which will share a certificate with the full hostname. It's necessary to set a couple system variables before deploying Chef Automate. These commands set the necessary values. Be sure these variables are written to etc syscontrol.conf so they persist between reboots. We've made it so you can install Chef Automate and Chef Infrastructure Server using Chef itself. Here I'm downloading the latest version of the Chef Automate package and making it executable. Now I run Chef Automate deploy with the two product flags to install Automate and Infra Server. This will download and install everything, and then do a service health check. You can run Chef Automate status at any time to check the status of all services. In order to communicate properly with Chef Workstation and your nodes, I create a new admin user, J. Tonello in this example, and then an organization called Lab. Notice I'm using the admin user as part of the org create command. In addition to creating the user and organization, this command outputs a PEM file. The user.pem file, in this case jtonello.pem, will be copied to my workstation installation to complete the secure integration. When I did the Automate installation, it created an automate credentials.toml file in my home directory. This contains the URL and credentials for logging into the Chef Automate dashboard. I use the admin password combination to log into the dashboard, navigate to the Infrastructure tab, and click on the Chef Infra Servers menu. I'll add my integrated server by clicking the Add Chef Infra Server button, entering a name for my server, its fully qualified domain name, or just automate.local since Automate and the server are on the same host, and then add the IP address. You can see the server has been created, so I click the link and add an organization. I'm naming it the same as the organization I created earlier, Lab in this case, entering the username I created, J. Tonello in this example, and then pasting the contents of the jtonello.pem key created earlier. Clicking the Add Chef Organization button saves the configuration. That's it. Chef Automate and Chef Infrastructure Server are installed and ready to use. I can now start working with Chef.